We rented a boat in Vadis and set off to explore the Croatian islands in the Šebenik archipelago. The first island we visited was Prvic. As we docked at the picturesque harbor of Prvic, we felt the scent of salt in the air and enjoyed the warm sun rays caressing its stone streets. This island, with its rich history and tradition, exuded a special energy that enchanted us from the moment we set foot on its soil. Upon disembarking, we were greeted by the sculpture of Faust Francic. This famous Croat spent his childhood on this island and, as per his wish, is buried here. He is best known for inventing the first parachute design. This island has preserved its authenticity, and the charming houses with flower-filled balconies delighted us with their beauty. During the Second World War, the inhabitants of this island actively joined the anti-fascist struggle against Nazism and fascism. Many of them lost their lives, and today, numerous partisan monuments bear witness to their heroism. Our next destination was the island of Zerge, where we anchored in a secluded bay and took the time to swim and sunbathe on the boat. we made our way back to Vadis. We spent the end of this perfect day on the island of Murter, at the famous burger bar, Mu. If you ever find yourself on the island of Murter, you simply must try their burgers. They are a must-have treat.